KTB, yeah, FBA, my man, yeah, let's go. Right now my vibes up, I getting on. There's no regrets if tomorrow never come. Cause this is my time, I let him go. And every second's a blessing from above. It's like a feeling I can't control. It's in the waves, I want to wave, I want to.
Okay, you guys, so we have this wig from Luvmehair, so thank you to Luvmehair for sponsoring today's video. So this is their pre-everything wig, and these are one of my favorite wigs ever because you really do not have to do anything, you guys. This wig comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and this wig is going to be 100% glueless, you guys. So this install is going to be 1, 2, 3. You guys know I love me an easy wig install. And this wig is free part, so you really can do any type of parting with this wig because this is the lace space on here. So you can part it in the middle, you can part it on the left side, right side. You can really, it's really enough lace space. Play around with this wig. 180% density. It is their loose wave curl wig. As you guys can see, this is the curl straight out of the box too. I did not curl this wig. This is literally how it came out of the box, you guys. And honestly, so far the curls actually look really good. As you can see, this is their nice highlight brown color, which is really pretty and perfect for this time of the year because you guys know it's getting a little cold outside and I love me a little highlighted wig. I do like how this wig does have a decent amount lace space. So like I said, you really can do whatever type of parting you want. The wig's going to be 1, 2, 3. So let's stay tuned for this install.
Take a jump until morning, fet till I fall in. Soaking wet, and I up in every fet. It could be hot, sun, no storms. Fet till I falling down. I'm falling down, say look, I'm falling. Girl and them like they want me. Fet till I'm falling down. I'm falling down, say look, I'm falling. All the liquor they pouring. Fet till I'm falling down. KTB, yeah, FBA, my man, yeah, let's go. Right now my vibes up, I getting on. There's no regrets if tomorrow never come. Cause this is my time, I let him go. And every second's a blessing from above. It's like a feeling I can't control. It's in the waves, I want to wave, I want to whine. So if they tell me I have to go, no, oh no. I'm gonna take a wind down low, then I go in and wind up so. And take a jump until morning, fet till I fall in. Soaking wet, and I up in every fet. It could be hot, sun, no storms. Fet till I falling down. I'm falling down, say look, I'm falling. Girl and them like they want me. Fet till I'm falling down. I'm falling down, say look, I'm falling. All the liquor they pouring. Fet till I'm falling down. Don't come and tell me it's time to leave, cause I want to wind up to every single song. I want to sing every melody and take a jump up with each and every one. It's like a feeling I can't control. It's in my ways, I want to wave, I want to whine. So if they tell me I have to go, no. I could take a wind down low, then I go in and wind up so. And take a jump until morning, fet till I fall in. Soaking wet, KTB, yeah, FBA, my man, yeah, let's go. Right now, my vibes up, I'm getting on. There's no regrets if tomorrow never come. Cause this is my time, I'll let him go. And every second's a blessing from above. It's like a feeling I can't control. It's in the ways I want to wave, I want to whine. So if they tell me I have to go, no, I'm gonna take a wind down low, then I go in and wind up so, and take a jump until morning, fed till I fall in. Soaking wet, and I up in every fet. It could be hot sun or storms, fed till I fall in down.
Alright, you guys, so here is the finished look of this wig. As you guys can see, this wig was super easy, you guys literally seen I literally did not have to do anything. This wig is pre-everything, like I stated previously in the video. This wig is pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-everything. It's 100% glueless. I did not use any glue for this wig. As you guys seen, I just sprayed my Ebin spray and that was it. I mean, you guys know you can always go ahead and add some baby hairs if you would like, but honestly I felt like this was giving no baby hairs today. Kind of left the baby hairs out for once. You guys know I love my baby hairs. Yeah, this is the wig. I was thinking about curling it, but I mean I can always go back in and just do a few little curls, but honestly I really like the curls in this wig and I don't think I have to do any more curls. This wig already came curled, so I didn't want to like mess it up too much. All I really had to do was just my part, wax stick on it, and that was about it, you guys. Like literally 1 2 3. This wig is super cute. I love the highlights in this wig. It's super flowy, super soft. This wig is just, I just love me a quick wig. I just 10 out of 10. So if you guys would like to buy this wig, do not forget to check my description box down below, so all the information will be down below. Once again, thank you to Luvmehair for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.
How you feel?